Forget everything you think you know about insurance. The industry is entering a fierce battle. The battle between AI-powered precision versus human empathy. As the insurance world hands power to machines, we must ask ourselves, can empathy survive automation? When it's your life on the line, who do you trust to make the call? Man or machine? Who should decide what your future is worth? Hello, and welcome back to Insurance World TV, your trusted source for insights, trends, and conversations that matter in the world of insurance. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and slightly controversial topic that's shaking up the entire industry: the future of insurance, AI versus human intuition. Stay tuned. Introduction. As technology advances at lightning speed, artificial intelligence is being woven into every corner of insurance, from underwriting and pricing to fraud detection and claims assessment. But this raises a powerful question. Can algorithms replace the human touch? Or is there something irreplaceable about experience, empathy, and gut instinct? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of where the industry is heading and what it means for you as a policyholder, agent, or insurance leader. Chapter 1. The unseen shift, the insurance industry right now. The current state of insurance: slow, complex, and frustrating. For many people, dealing with insurance feels like navigating a maze. The processes are slow, riddled with jargon, and often come with a lot of paperwork. Whether you're trying to buy a policy, make a claim, or simply understand your coverage, the experience is rarely user-friendly. In a world where you can order a meal or book a ride in seconds, the insurance sector often feels stuck in the past, clunky, bureaucratic, and disconnected from the realities of modern life. Traditional pain points that drive people away. First, lengthy claims process. When disaster strikes, a car accident, medical emergency, or fire, policyholders expect quick help. Instead, many face endless back and forth with assessors, delayed payments, and requests for more documents. The very moment when insurance is supposed to deliver peace of mind often becomes the most stressful part. Second, impersonal service. Large insurance providers often rely on call centers or automated responses. Customers feel like just another number in the system. There's little room for empathy, and agents are rarely empowered to make real-time decisions that truly help. Third point, one-size-fits-all policies. Most policies are designed around general assumptions, not individual realities. A young urban freelancer and a retired rural farmer may be offered the same product, even though their risks, lifestyles, and needs are completely different. How trust is eroding in a system perceived as outdated. More people today are questioning the value of insurance. With stories of denied claims, hidden clauses, and rising premiums, skepticism is growing. Trust, once the bedrock of the insurance relationship, is wearing thin. Customers feel that insurance companies profit when they don't pay out, creating a fundamental conflict of interest. As younger generations, raised on transparency and instant service, enter the market, they're demanding change, and fast. Chapter 2. The Rise of AI in Insurance, a New Era of Risk Assessment. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept in the insurance world. It's here, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about risk. With powerful predictive analytics, AI can now assess risk with laser-sharp precision. It doesn't rely on guesswork. It analyzes massive amounts of data: your lifestyle, location, driving habits, health indicators, even weather patterns and satellite images. By connecting the dots across all these data points, insurers can predict the likelihood of future events with remarkable accuracy, whether it's a heart condition or a high-risk flood zone. That means better pricing and smarter decisions. Next, personalized policies driven by real-time data, dynamic pricing, usage-based insurance. AI enables policies that evolve with you in real time. Drive less this month? You pay less. Improve your health? Your premiums can adjust. It's called usage-based insurance, and it's built on live data from connected cars, wearables, and smart devices. And when something goes wrong, claims that once took weeks can now be handled in minutes. AI can review a damaged photo, verify your policy, and approve payment instantly. No paperwork, no phone tag, no delay. Behind the scenes, AI is also fighting fraud, spotting fake claims and unusual patterns long before a human investigator ever could. That means fewer losses for insurers and better premiums for everyone else. So, yes, AI brings speed, accuracy, and personalization at a scale we've never seen before. But here's the catch. It can calculate risk, but can it understand emotion? It can detect patterns, but can it sense a lie or a cry for help? In our next segment, we shift gears and explore the irreplaceable role of human intuition in the future of insurance. Chapter 3. The Human Element, Beyond Algorithms. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but it's not perfect, because not every risk fits neatly into a data model, and not every claim can be resolved by code. AI struggles when the situation gets complicated. A grieving family, a customer in distress after a denied claim, or a nuanced legal dispute where empathy, experience, and human reasoning are required. This is where the human element shines. Trained professionals, claims adjusters, underwriters, advisors bring something AI cannot: judgment, context, ethics, compassion. In times of crisis, people don't just want answers. They want to be heard. They want to feel that someone understands what they're going through. A caring voice, a guiding hand, a professional who sees beyond the policy number. And in moments of moral complexity, like life insurance claims after tragedy or deciding coverage in edge cases, we rely on humans to weigh not just the facts, but the right thing to do. Trust isn't built with algorithms. It's built through human interaction, by showing up, listening closely, and acting with integrity. So while AI may speed up decisions, it's the human connection that builds relationships. And in insurance, that connection can mean everything. Chapter 4. The Synergistic Future. Collaboration, not conflict. It's not man versus machine. The real future of insurance? Man and machine working together. AI brings speed, precision, and endless capacity to process data. But humans bring intuition, empathy, and the ability to navigate gray areas. Together, they form a powerful blend, one that's already transforming how insurance works. Across the industry, we're seeing a shift toward hybrid models. AI handles the heavy lifting, automation analysis, and alerts, while people focus on what truly requires a human touch: relationships, ethical decisions, and complex casework. And as the tools evolve, so do the roles. We're moving beyond traditional job titles. Claims adjusters become risk navigators. Agents become client advocates. Underwriters become strategic risk consultants, empowered by AI insights, but driven by human purpose. This is the future. AI as an intelligent assistant. Humans as decision makers, trust builders, and emotional anchors. When these two forces work together, we get faster service, smarter decisions, and stronger relationships. Not a conflict, but a collaboration, one that redefines how we protect people, manage risk, and build trust in a rapidly changing world. Chapter 5: Navigating Tomorrow. What this means for you. So, with AI transforming the insurance world, what does the road ahead look like for you? Whether you're a consumer, a professional, or both. For the consumer, smarter, faster, fairer. AI brings real benefits: more accurate pricing based on your actual behavior, quicker claims resolutions, and personalized coverage. But with that convenience comes a growing concern: data privacy. As insurers collect more real-time data, you'll need to stay informed and empowered about how your information is used and protected. For the professional, evolve or fall behind. Insurance roles are changing. The rise of AI doesn't eliminate human jobs, it transforms them. Professionals will need to upskill, learning how to work alongside intelligent systems while doubling down on what machines can't replicate: empathy, communication, and ethical judgment. The bigger picture: a human-centric future. The ultimate goal isn't just efficiency, it's resilience, responsiveness, and trust. AI may power the engine, but human values still steer the wheel. The future of insurance is a blend of smart technology and strong human connection. Conclusion: embracing the future together. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to enhance what we do best. From smarter underwriting to faster claims, from personalized pricing to fraud prevention, AI is redefining how insurance operates. But as we've seen, the human element remains essential, especially in complex, emotional, and trust-based situations. The future belongs to those who can embrace this synergy. Consumers who understand their rights, data, and benefits. Professionals who upskill and adapt, becoming more empathetic, agile, and tech-savvy. Insurers who build systems that are not just smart, but human-centric. The journey ahead isn't about choosing between man and machine. It's about collaborating to build an insurance industry that's faster, fairer, and more compassionate. The rise of AI is inevitable. The question is, how will you rise with it? Thanks for watching Insurance World TV. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the future of insurance.